Welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching another one of my videos. So like many of you, or pretty much everyone, I am stuck in the house during what is being called quarantine. So during my downtime I decided to do my nails because I'm sick of my fingers being bare. Yep, that's pretty much it. So let's get right into it. As you see here, I have a selection of press-on nail sets in front of me, and I'm just picking the ones that I'm going to go with. I went with these beigey taupe ones, really classy, nude, simple. And as you can see, these are Kiss Nails products. Even though this box says Goldfinger, it's still Kiss products. So these are all Kiss Nails. These are my favorite that I've found so far that I always go to. I always pick Kiss Nails. So as you can see here, the nails are separated in the box, and I'm just showing you that they come with a tube of glue, but I have my own tube of glue, well, from a previous set that is already open, so I'm just going to go with that. Here, I'm trying to show you that the nails are numbered, but the camera didn't focus. But so yeah, I'm just picking out the nails to fit my fingers, and since, like I said, I pretty much always only wear Kiss nails just because those are my favorite, I have a pretty good idea of what nails are going to fit for which fingers. As you can see, I kind of went straight for that one because I had a good sense that that was going to be a number 2 nail, and I know that's what I need for my thumb. So, and the nails also come with this little wooden stick to push your cuticles back. They normally come with a little nail file also, a little mini nail file, but this one didn't this time, which is unusual, but it's all good. I have my own file, so no big deal. So yes, I'm just going to go through here and determine which press-on I need for each finger and lay them all out. I do that for both hands. How you determine that, you want to make sure that the press-on covers your actual nail. So, when you glue it on, you don't have to worry about, too much of your nail showing or anything like that. But you don't want it too big because you don't want it on your skin either. You don't want to glue the nail down to your skin because that's just not how this works. So yeah, that's what we're doing here. We're laying out our nails. So now that I have determined which press-ons are going to fit my fingers, I'm going to actually now go ahead and prep my actual nails for the application. So as you can see here, my nails are kind of rough looking, and I actually have some glue from my last set still on my nail because I actually pried those off because, honey, this glue, this is like some of the strongest glue ever. But I'm just going to go in with the cotton swab and a little bit of nail polish remover. I'm not doing this to remove all of the glue though, because that's really not that big of a deal because I'm going to file my nails. So you don't want your nails to be really smooth when you glue the press-on nails down because the glue's not going to have enough to adhere to. You want your nails to be a little coarse so the nail can grip to it. See here, I just have my Kiss nail file, banana nail file, and I'm pretty sure everybody knows how nail files works. One side is a little more rough than the other, but yeah, I'm just gonna go in and buff the top of my nails a little bit just to, like I said, make them kind of coarse because we don't want them too smooth. And like I said, I do still have glue, a little bit of glue on some of my nails. I don't want that to be, too much glue gunked up either. So I'm going to smooth the glue down a little bit, but my goal is not to take it all off because it doesn't really matter because we want to have something for the glue and the nail to adhere to, because if your nail is just super smooth and you try to put on press-ons, they may stick. They're going to stick initially, but it's going to pop off eventually because your nail's too slick. It's too smooth. So yes, I'm just buffing out my nails here, and that's all done. So you can see we've created some coarseness. So I'm just going to brush that off and then go in with my glue. And the way that I like to do it, like I told you, this glue is super strong. Like, you shouldn't, if you're losing nails with this glue, it's because you did something wrong, or either you've had your nails on for too long. But so I'm just going to go in with the little cuticle stick also and just poke a little hole, because this is used glue. It's not brand new, because I just don't see a point in opening the brand new tube because I have some already. So the way I like to apply my press-ons is I put a dot of glue directly onto my nail and I just kind of spread it around. I'm not continuing to squeeze the glue out. I'm just spreading it around my nail with the tip of the glue bottle. And then I pick up the actual press-on and I add some glue to it also. same type of method. I don't continue to squeeze. I just put a dot and then spread it around with the tip of the glue bottle, and then because I push my cuticle beds back, remember, we just want to go in and lay the nail down as close to the bed of your cuticle as possible, and or your nail bed rather, as possible, and just hold it there for, the box says like 5 seconds, but you do it until you feel comfortable, really, until you feel like it's actually stuck. And so yeah, we have our first nail on. Look at that. Look how cute and simple and classy that looks. You know, like I said, I'm sick of my nails being bare, so I just went with a really plain, classy, simple nail. And there is some spillage. I probably don't have to use as much glue as I do, but I'm a better safe than sorry person. So I just take the paper towel like you just seen me do, and I just clean up the spillage around the edges of the nail. I don't mind there being spillage because I want to make sure my nails are secure and they're not popping off while I'm wearing them. My nails usually last me, my press-ons usually last me at least 2 weeks. 9 times out of 10, if I'm taking them off after the 2-week period, it's not because they've popped off or anything like that. It's just because I'm ready for a new set, or I just want a different look. So yeah, like I said, this glue is the truth now. It will hold. So as long as you apply it properly and you're not banging your hands around on things to knock your nails off or bend them or break them, then your nails should last you 2 to 3 weeks. Press-ons, like mine normally do. So here I am just applying another nail for you to see how my application process goes. And this doesn't take me long at all. I can do a whole hand in probably, I'm sorry, not a whole hand, both my hands, in probably about 30 minutes. So yeah, it doesn't take long at all. It probably doesn't even take that long, but just to be generous, just to not give you false dreams and hopes, let you think your nails are going to be done in 10 minutes. But like I said, it's not a long process. So yeah, I'm just going to finish up the application here. And if you saw earlier when I was cleaning up the glue spillage with that paper towel, it is possible for some of that paper towel to kind of stick to the glue on your finger, but that's no big deal. You can either peel it off, which is what I did right then, or it'll come up when you wash your hands afterwards. I always wash my hands a couple minutes afterwards. Wait a couple minutes to make sure the glue is dry, but then I always wash my hands to make sure I get any excess glue that's stuck to my fingers off, so you can get the paper towel off then. Or you can avoid that by using like an old cloth or a t-shirt or something. If you're wearing a t-shirt that you don't care about, you can definitely use that. But yeah, the paper towels, you can see my fingers here, very well may get stuck to the glue, and so it'll therefore be stuck to your hands and your fingers. But it's all good. It comes off. It's not going to ruin your look, ruin your nails. But you do want to be careful not to have the wet glue on your finger and then touch your nail, because you probably don't want that look, especially with these nails that I'm using. They're matte, so if any of the glue does get on my finger and then while I'm pressing it down it gets on the face of the nail, you may not be able to see it too bad because of the color of these nails, but it could be visible. So you just want to try your hardest, try your best to not get the glue on your fingers and then touch your nails. So here we have a whole hand completed, and this is what it looks like. I do have a little bit of glue on my fingers, but like I said, no big. So if you remember earlier, I told you when finding the right nail for your, the right press-on for your nails, you want to make sure it covers your actual nail. But due to the shape of these, they're kind of like a long coffin shape, and my nails, weren't shaped like that. I do have some of my nails showing on the sides, but that's also no big deal. I just go in with my file and I just file my nail down to get it closer to the press-on so you don't see it as much, which is what I've done here. And I just go in and do that to every nail that needs it until I am satisfied with the results. So you see, we are completely done now. My nails are finished. These are my Kiss press-on nails. I absolutely love these, and they're a great alternative to actually going to a salon. So yes, darling, I hope you like this tutorial, and I hope you like my nails because I love them. Well, until next time, bye.